Hello guys, my name is JB. I work as full-time engineering consultant who has been doing a lot on project value engineering and sales engineering. So with all this experience, I always try to transition them into digital marketing by doing online sales pitching. And it has been 2 years plus working as part-time without even compromising my full-time job. But in fact, it adds to my money stream as my full income. So sounds good, right? You definitely can do the same thing I did. As I'm going to show you the quickest way to build an online automatic cash machine with a do-it-yourself DIY digital marketing guideline, and ultimately to become a digital product vendor. Right, the best part is that once you have enrolled into this course, you'll be entitled a private label rights product where I'm going to show you how to nail this industry with the most hands-on experience and skills, which is to earn money online. And with all the selling materials, marketing tools, and with all my step-by-step video tutorials and screencast video, by the end of this course, you're able to know how to capture affiliate commissions online and also know how to register, set up, and publish your product and sell it at the internet platform for profit. So join me now as you can get the great taste of earning money online with DIY Digital Marketing Guideline.